We are back with another unboxing video today, this time for the HLR15 Bigfoot iBrid Polisher 5-inch basic kit box. Upon opening, you can see that there is different sections in this case. You got your tool, you've got your battery charging station, and you've got your two batteries. Starting off with the pads, you'll get two DA Fine foam polishing pads, two DA Intermediate foam polishing pads, two DA Medium wool polishing pads, and two DA Coarse wool polishing pads. You're also going to get a 250 milliliter bottle of the DA Coarse polishing compound and a 250 milliliter bottle of the DA Fine polishing compound. You'll also find a DA System microfiber towel in the box, which is a premium microfiber polishing cloth. Let's break into one of these boxes of batteries and check it out. In this kit, you will find two Li-ion 18-volt batteries. Now, the iBrid HLR15 seamlessly combines cordless and corded capabilities, offering freedom and reliability. We'll take this other battery out of the box here and set it aside while we check out the battery pack. As I pull it out, you'll see that it is a dual battery charger, which is an advanced charger engineered to optimize your charging experience, offering cutting-edge technology tailored to the battery cells of your Bigfoot iBrid polisher. As we dock one of those batteries into the battery charger, you'll always have a fully charged high-capacity power source at your disposal when you need it most. Let's put the battery charger aside and take a look at the HLR15. As we unbox, you'll see the user manual here in this bag, and the tool itself is also wrapped in a plastic bag. At first glance, you can see the awesome carbon fiber finish on this polisher. This polisher also features a new anti-spinning ring, which offers unparalleled precision, durability, maneuverability, and cutting capacity with this innovative feature. Here you can see I'm changing the throw and speed of the polisher. To activate the polisher, you're going to want to push down on the safety and then activate the trigger. With the new iBrid series, they wanted to have an improved design that also places a strong emphasis on vibration reduction, which delivers a smoother and more comfortable experience that ensures precision and control throughout each task. It features a nice ergonomic design and only weighs about 4 pounds. Let's throw a battery into this thing now and see how it runs. This is also the quietest polisher that RUPES has released, as its new advanced gears are meticulously designed to reduce noise levels during polishing operations. Whether you are a professional detailer or just an enthusiast, this polisher kit elevates your work to new levels.